In today's video, I'm going to teach you rearrange data fast in Google Sheets. If you work with spreadsheets regularly, knowing how to reorganize your data quickly can save a lot of time and help keep everything easier to read. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through a few simple ways to rearrange data in Google Sheets, including sorting data, moving columns, and reordering sheet tabs. These are small actions, but they make a big difference when you are cleaning up a spreadsheet or preparing it for someone else to review. Let's start with sorting. One of the fastest ways to rearrange data is with a quick sort. To do this, highlight the columns you want to sort. Then click the drop-down arrow in the top cell of the column you want to organize. From there, choose either Sort Sheet A to Z for ascending order, or Sort Sheet Z to A for descending order. This is useful when you want to alphabetize names, sort dates, or organize numbers from smallest to largest, or the other way around. Just make sure you are sorting the correct column so the data appears the way you expect. If your spreadsheet contains a full table, it's usually better to use advanced range sorting. This helps prevent your data from getting mixed up. First, highlight the entire table, not just one column. That's important because it keeps each row connected to the correct information. Next, go to the Data menu, choose Sort Range, and then select Advanced Range Sorting options. If your table includes headings, check the option that says the data has a header row. This method gives you more control and is especially helpful when working with larger or more detailed data sets. Now let's look at rearranging columns. If you want to move a column to a different position, click the letter at the top of the column to highlight it. Then click and hold the column header and drag that highlighted column to its new location. This is a quick way to adjust the layout of your spreadsheet without copying and pasting anything. It's helpful when you want your most important information to appear earlier in the sheet. You can also reorder entire sheets within the same file. At the bottom of the Google Sheets window, click and hold a sheet tab name, then drag it left or right to change the tab order. This is especially useful when your workbook has multiple sheets and you want them arranged in a more logical sequence. Thanks for watching.